Seagull. I think I need help. They're back. The damn birds. They followed me. They're stalking me, people. They're stalking me. Stalking me. I wonder. I'm not even near the damn ocean. What are you guys doing out here? Aren't you seagulls? Sea being the operative word here. There ain't no damn sea here. There's Mount Shasta. There's no damn sea. That's a mountain. You aren't mountain gulls. Is there a new kind of breed of bird I have not heard of? How do they know that I'm making a damn sandwich? How do they know I'm trying to make lunch and they just post up on me? If there's any on my truck pooping right now, what is that? If there's any on my truck pooping right now, I'm gonna cook you for dinner. Well, I don't know if Seagull would be very good. Fried? I don't know. Who knows? Probably not. Maybe they'll go away if I give them something. That was a bad throw and they don't give a shit. They're coming for it. Run him over, driver. Run him over. Alright, let's see what this does. Oh shit, they just flew off my truck. You are on my truck. Get off my truck, fuckers. This is tripled in size. There. What are you doing? What are you what are you doing? You are a mangy looking seagull. You got that rigged Trucker Brown was talking about. You a mangy looking motherfucker. Look at that fucker, dude. Look how raggedy he is compared to a nice healthy seagull. And then you got this guy with his freaking hair all fucked up. Screwed up, excuse me. Apparently feeding them does not get rid of them. Apparently, they call their homies. You better get off my. Where'd you come from? Are you on my damn truck? Are you on my truck? Get off my truck, birds. Well, look at them. Look at them. So I'm gonna get you. Go ahead. Here. You got balls? All right. Let's see what you got. Come here, birdie. Come here, birdie. Who wants it? Big old chunk of sourdough bread. You know this shit ain't cheap. It's a high quality sourdough bread. And sourdough is from San Francisco. You should like it. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Come on, start flapping along. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Any takers? You're a mean little bitch. You right there. Don't be picking on the scraggly looking one. There you go. Come on, home. I got you. Hold on. Look at him. Just chases them away. Alright, birdie. Here you go. Put it right there. Damn, he took it. He took it. That's why he's scraggly. Everybody picks on him because he got balls to do something about it. Alright, birdie. Just for that, we get another chunk. Come here, birdie. Here we go. Put it on up there. Oh, damn. One took. Damn, he's coming back. And he pooped on another bird. He's like, take that, sucker. That's my piece of bread. Why you got red on your beak? What's red on your beak for? What have you been eating? He's a grumpy little bastard. He's the big guy. Chasing away all the little dudes. Check it out. It's like, get on out. Clear out. Clear out. Here. Let's throw it over here to the small dudes. I'm all about helping out the little man. Damn, birds are crazy. Alright. I want to eat my lunch. You guys leave me alone. You get one more piece. I'm putting it up here. Big piece. You see it? Come get it. Come get it. Eee, birdie, birdie, birdie. They want that wind to get just right for them. Eee, birdie, birdie, birdie. I should stick a little, what are those things called where you can snag them, make a little circle out of a piece of string and then pull on it? A noose or something like that. From the foot. You can run the foot and then you'll have a kite. You just fly around, you can just hold them on the string. Yeah, birdie, birdie, birdie. Alright, let me back it up. They're making their move. They're thinking about it. They see it up there. Yeah, birdie, birdie. You got the little, what are those called? Little black things with those yellow eyeballs. Magpies or something like that. Oh, yeah. I saw one flying up. This is an old loaf of bread. I got one too many loaves of bread, so I guess I can... Hey! 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 Don't perch on my mirror. You perch on my mirror, you end up pooping on my mirror. And then I will not be happy. Go perch on that driver's mirror. Not on my mirror. Alright, let's see if I can... I got you. Here we go. Alright, buddies, go get it. It's like Seagull Fight Club. Seagull Fight Club. Haley wants dinner too. Don't you, girl? Haley wants dinner too? You want dinner too? I know. I want some dinner too. I know. You just turned my hazards on with your big batty tail. You got a club for a tail, doggy. You know that? You got a club for a tail. Hey, birdie, birdie. Come on, bird. Where'd that ballsy one go? I want to eat my lunch. You guys do something. I'm getting bored. Alright, the hell with it. The hell with it. Have it. Take it. Take it all. You got the whole piece. Oh, he dropped it. And they're going in. It's a fight. And he's flying away with it. He's got it, folks. He's trying to land and eat it. It's a fight club. It's the... It's a damn Seagull Fight Club, people. Place your bets now. The raggedy looking seagull or the finely groomed big seagull. Alright, that's enough fun. Back to my damn lunch.